a.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday, September 7th, 2022. Chad Xavier Harris here, Chad Trades, Chad Films, recording live from Duluth, GA. Chad Visions, my newest name, I have to remember that. So, we're gonna do some historical, legendary stuff. Dear Wallstreetbets, Wave 2 of Gamestop 2 years later. I haven't even been on your site or anything, but I'm pretty sure you guys are talking about it. It's been 2 years. You all have been quiet. You've let the short sellers have fun and sell it back down. See if they're stupid enough to try to push it back down again. Right now, the price is double or triple what it was when this 2020 run from Wallstreetbets, from Main Street to Wall Street, went up on the GameStop stock on all platforms before interruption ensued. Interception! Oh, come on! Man! Right? Have y'all forgiven Robinhood yet? Robinhood, have you been forgiven yet? I hope you niggas hold a grudge. Robinhood, I forgive you. It's all good. I'm still gonna make money with your bitch ass. It's all good, Robinhood in my hood. Robinhood, hey, it's all good, Robinhood. Listen, GameStop is buying up. We got the chart right there. We're gonna read it to you. Investing.com technical analysis. Oh yes we are. Oh yes we are. Oh yes we are. Oh yes we are. Technical analysis, 15-minute charts. The stochastic RSI and the MACD go together. Okay, it's like this. The MACD is the husband, the stochastic RSI is the wife. If the MACD on the 15-minute chart or the hourly chart or the 5-minute chart or any chart, right, if the MACD is red or green, that means it's pushing the stochastic RSI to its overpurchase. Overpurchase is our general, shout out to Cash, good morning Cash. So overpurchase is our general term for maxed out. Maxed out is another general term for overbought or oversold. Topped out, bottomed out. Overbought is topped out, maxed out, maxed out general term. But overbought, stochastic RSI is overbought at 100, that's when you sell it. The stochastic RSI is oversold at 0, that's when you buy it. You want to do that on your 15-minute chart back and forth, but you want to keep in mind what the daily stochastic RSI is, what the daily MACD is, what the 5-hour MACD and stochastic RSI are, and what the hourly MACD and stochastic RSI are. And the hourly and 5-hour are just pushing to the daily, and the 15 minutes just pushing in that direction. But the 15-minute is the reliable chart for the short. There's no other chart you want to rely on for the short besides the higher charts, anything above 15 minutes. But if you want to go anything lower than 15 minutes, you go with the 5. Once the 5-minute MACD switches, then you're like, okay, the 15-minute MACD is going to switch after this. So that's about it. And Isaiah will refer to that as context. So before you do your trade, you want to look at the daily stochastic RSI, the daily MACD. If the daily stochastic RSI is a sell, then it's going to be selling down to the RSI itself. The actual RSI is under 30. So until then, it'll be going back and forth on the 15-minute. So it's like that. My daily context is that the 5-hour and daily stochastic RSI are selling. So we're going to under 30 for the RSI. That's the long-term move over days, weeks, months. Now our in-between trades would be placed on the 15-minute. So when we want to get into the direction of the daily, we do that when the 15-minute stochastic RSI is 0. No, when it's 100 overbought, if the daily and 5-hour MACDs or stochastic RSIs are selling, if they're red, you know what I'm saying? It would be like red 70 on the stochastic RSI daily or 5-hour. That's big. It's going to take a while for that to get to 0. And right now, I think for GameStop, the stochastic RSI on the 5-hour or the daily is like 0.8 or 8 or something. So I'm like, okay, the 15-minute stochastic RSI, I can see the story now. The 15-minute stochastic RSI says it's 89 overbought. So, and the MACD is red, so it's selling. The hourly stochastic RSI says 20 oversold. So it is selling down to 0. When the hourly stochastic RSI is 0, the 5-hour stochastic RSI should be about 0. The 15-minute RSI, stochastic RSI is going to be at zero oversold at that point. But when it hit zero oversold at first, after this cycle, this one cycle might pull down because think about it, it's overbought at 90 points. So on the stochastic RSI, so when that pulls all the way down, that should pull down the 20 oversold on the hourly stochastic RSI, and that should pull down like the 8 oversold on the 5-hour daily RSI, stochastic RSI, and then boom, um, that's for GameStop. That's for GameStop. I trade silver. Silver is what I trade as far as trading goes. But and I'll trade Ripple, SRP, and some cryptos and stuff. The lowest cryptos, the ones I want to hold, like Stellar, Lumens, and stuff like that. But Dogecoin, Tron, and stuff like that. But for GameStop, we're gonna read this chart for you real quick, bro. We're gonna read this chart. Okay, so we are on investing.com right now. We are on investing.com. Click investing.com. The symbol for GameStop is GME. You want to click GME, and then we have click GME, and then we have technical tab. We click technical tab. Right now we're on the hourly. We're gonna go to the daily and just show you how we just do this from scratch. Boom. Okay, so the daily summary says strong sell. You see right there, daily summary says strong sell. So if you don't have mental issues, then you strong sell on the daily. How long do you strong sell on the daily, Chad? Well, until the daily RSI is under 30. All right, the daily RSI is at 26. Oh my goodness, Chad, it looks like that might just be a bot. Okay, when does the stochastic RSI bottom out? It bottoms out under 20. Well, it's at 26 along with the stochastic, along with the RSI on the daily being under 30 at 26 as well. So now, the daily stochastic RSI is zero oversold. There's no more for the daily to go. You see that? That is that third one from the top. First one is the RSI. The second one is the stochastic. And then that third one is the stochastic RSI, and the fourth one is the MACD. So your MACD is going to push the stochastic in that direction. MACD's red, oversold coming. MACD red, oversold coming. MACD green, overbought coming. So boom, on the daily, daily's tapped out, it's maxed out. Now we're going to look at one last indicator. Williams R. Williams R percentage oversold at negative 97. It only goes to negative 100 in one color. It goes negative 100 both colors on investing.com. If you pull up the indicator on your MetaTrader platform, it's going to be different. It might just go up to zero. You don't see another negative 100. You see negative 100 and zero. So when it hits zero, I'm guessing that's maxed out. And then that next negative 100 would be a different color. So that's what you're going off of. Your MACD, your Williams R, your stochastic RSI, your stochastic, and your RSI. So really, your stochastic RSI and your Williams R, your MACD is pushing your stochastic RSI. So once the stochastic RSI is done, just get out there. You're waiting for that and the Williams R. Once that's zero on the stochastic RSI or 100, then you buy it or sell it, respectively, right? Now, boom, that's the first one. Now, this is a dead chart. The market's about to open up in about an hour or something. So now we're looking at the second highest chart, or the fourth highest chart, actually. Highest chart is the monthly, second highest weekly, then the daily. So now we're on the fourth highest chart for the 5-hour. It's 9 charts. This is chart like 5 out of 9 or something, 4 on the way down. So summary, 5-hour, strong sell. We're going to sell that, right? That's what it says, right? Oversold RSI at 22. We got to take that, people, because the stochastic RSI is oversold at 8. But we won't take it yet just because it's not all the way oversold. It could have hit it already. The Williams R on the 5-hour, negative 94 oversold. It's that second one from the bottom. It's the second one from the bottom. Bull Bear Power is the last one. So boom. Right? Now, we're going to wait for that stochastic RSI to go down to 0 on the 5-hour. And this hourly chart, now we're looking at the hourly. RSI at 25. Stochastic at 13. Under 20 on the hourly. That's good. Oversold. Stochastic RSI oversold at 20. Boom. MACD. Sell. The Williams R. Negative 88 oversold. So we do have one buy signal on the hourly. So now what the hourly looks like, strong summary. It is the summary is a strong sell. You see one green, button pushed on the moving averages chart. That is a buy coming on the way, right? Buy signal recognized. They're testing it. Now this 15-minute, the summary is it's a light sell. That means it's time to buy. So I guess we're just gonna have to buy GameStop. The stochastic RSI is overbought at 89. So I'm guessing that's just gonna push for a while. and just have to push into the daily or whatever. But I'm a little confused. I feel like when the market opens up, it's gonna be at zero and ready to go. Now, why can I say that? They're actually showing me the pre-market, which I never really noticed before because I trade stuff that's open 24 hours a day, So pre-market 24.64. It has dropped already pre-market. When this bitch opens up, man, that 15 minutes to cast the cards not gonna be zero, bro. This market is closed. This is a dead chart from over 12 hours ago. What, it's 7 in the morning, about 12 hours ago. What time is it? It's 8:30 in the morning, about 12, 15, 2 shifts ago. This chart expired. This chart was taken into custody 2 shifts ago. So what are you trying to say? Don't you trust that motherfucker, man? What? Hey, look, that 15 minutes to cast the guard sign on GameStop about to hit zero oversold. When that happens, the buy is going to commence on GameStop. The daily is ready to go. What does the daily mean? That means this chart is full of nothing but daily candles. This chart is full of nothing but daily candles. It is going up. It's about to go up and up and up and up and up and up and up. And I want to be a part of it this time. I want to get a piece of it. So now it's like, I'm on the bus. And everyone's like, how do you get on the bus? Because I sat on the same spot that the experts sat on. Like, I'm going to get on the bus on the second wave and sit with the experts and just put my headphones in and be like, who is this nigga? Somebody minding his motherfucking business. We're going to the moon. I already know it. You know what I'm saying? You all can chatter amongst yourselves. I'm just here eavesdropping. Why so silent? What? Stochastic guard side on the 15-minute GameStop going up. I'm calling it right now. Hey, y'all boys about to do it again. I see you. I see you. Hey, I know you see me. I know you see me. On GM On GM I know you see me. I know you see me. Shout out to Lil Kim. But that's actually a sample from The Dramatics, nigga. I'm as real as a real can get. As a real can get. Get what you see is what you get. Ow! I know you see me on the screen, right? True. Hey, trying hard not to stare. Acting like I wasn't there to you. Can you see me now? Am I clear to you?